Bring up the nonsense. Oh my God. No! Not Tuki again. Stephanie, help. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. And you're here long.
That's what I didn't think about that till after the fact.
What we gonna do?
We gonna figure it out like no reason, right?
You hear what she said? We gonna figure it out.
I crocheted about 2 pieces in the back, and then as I progressed up, I added more crochet hair to each braid to make sure she had enough floats. This style I use 4 packs.
This is crazy.
You got this.
Real test on this hat. So
Oh my goodness. This is a lot.
It's not. Girl, it's so simple.
And always be the people that don't.
I'm nervous.
You
That
don't
is
know
really
to be
pretty,
nervous
though.
about.
Let me know how you love it in the comments.
You too talented to be nervous.
And they always have their hair in a bun. Like, let me see your real length.
So this is the inspo, super cute. But as soon as Rapunzel let her hair down, I was like, oh hell nah. I'm in trouble. Anyways, your girl got straight to work. I had to add some braiding hair to the knotless braids because her hair is super fine. And then it was time to install these miracle knots, and I must say I did not enjoy doing this. They just kept getting stuck in her hair, and yeah, I was expecting a more seamless install. It kind of threw me off. Anyways, in the front, I just kept adding the hair as I would do for regular boho braids, which was much better. And at this point, I'm asking her if she wanted to cut it, but Rapunzel wanted a Rapunzel a little bit more. She wanted to keep the length. So I just went in with a flat iron, gave her some curls, and do our little finishing touches. She didn't want a lot of baby hair or anything. And this was the finished look. Let me know what you guys think.